Hey there, sneakerheads! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the world of sneaker care. Today, we're focusing on one of the most common challenges every sneaker enthusiast faces: keeping those white sneakers looking fresh and clean. White sneakers are a staple in any wardrobe, but they can get dirty pretty quickly. Don't worry though, because I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to make your kicks look brand new again. Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate way to clean your white sneakers with just a shoe brush. This method is simple, effective, and doesn't require any fancy products. All you need are a few basic supplies that you probably already have at home. Let's get those kicks looking fresh again. Whether you're prepping for a special occasion or just want to maintain that crisp look, this guide will help you achieve professional results. First up, grab your supplies. It's important to have everything ready before you start so you don't have to pause midway through the cleaning process. You need a shoe brush, some mild soap, which is gentle enough not to damage the material, a bowl of warm water, and a clean cloth. Got it? Great. These simple items will work wonders on your sneakers. Step 1. Remove the laces. This step is crucial because it allows you to clean every part of the shoe thoroughly. Toss them in a small bowl with warm, soapy water and let them soak while we work on the shoes. Easy peasy. This will help loosen any dirt or grime on the laces. Step 2. Knock off the loose dirt. Before we get into the deep cleaning, we need to remove any surface dirt. Take your shoe brush and give your sneakers a good once-over. This will make the cleaning process more effective. Don't worry about getting every bit off just yet. The goal here is to remove the loose particles. Step 3. Mix your cleaning solution. This is where the magic happens. Add a little mild soap to your bowl of warm water. You don't need much, just enough to get some suds going. The suds will help lift the dirt from the fabric without being too harsh. Step 4. Dip and scrub. This is the fun part. Dip your brush into the soapy water and start scrubbing your sneakers in small, circular motions. This technique helps to lift dirt without damaging the material. Focus on the dirty spots, but don't forget the rest of the shoe. Make sure you cover all areas evenly. Be gentle on those delicate areas. Step 5. Wipe down. This step ensures that no soap residue is left behind. Once you've scrubbed away the grime, take your clean cloth, dip it in plain water, and wipe off the soap residue. This will prevent any soap from drying on the shoe and causing discoloration. Make sure you get all the soap off your shoes. It's important to be thorough here. We don't want any leftover suds. Step 6. Dry properly. This is a crucial step to ensure your sneakers stay in good shape. Let your sneakers air dry naturally. Avoid using a dryer or placing them in direct sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight or heat, as it can damage the material. Instead, find a shaded area with good air circulation. Patience is key here, folks. It might take a few hours, but it's worth it to keep your sneakers in top condition. Step 7. Clean the laces. Now that your sneakers are drying, let's not forget about the laces. Remember those laces we soaked earlier? They've been sitting in soapy water, loosening up all the dirt. Give them a good rinse, squeeze out the excess water and lay them flat to dry. This will ensure they dry evenly and don't get tangled. And there you have it. Your white sneakers should be looking brand new again. This method is not only effective but also helps prolong the life of your sneakers. Your white sneakers should be looking brand new again. Keep them clean by giving them a quick brush every now and then. Regular maintenance will keep them looking fresh for longer. Keep them clean by giving them a quick brush every now and then. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome sneaker tips. Happy cleaning. And remember, a little care goes a long way in keeping your sneakers looking their best.